Hi everybody, it's Mel here from Pebbles and Peach and welcome back once again to my channel. Today I have like a little announcement video for those of you who are in Northern Ireland or in Ireland or are planning to visit in your van or rent a van over here, and we're going to get into that today. So it is actually freezing here in Northern Ireland today, like it's literally sub-zero, and you guys might know I don't have a heater in this van, so literally I don't know that you're going to be able to see it on the camera, but I can see my breath as I'm talking to you. It's actually so cold over here at the minute. So yeah, today we're going to talk a little bit about van life in Ireland, Northern Ireland, but before we dive into the video, as always, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You guys know I always really appreciate it, and to hit the little notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And today is just going to be a quick video, kind of like a little announcement. I've kind of briefly mentioned this before in a couple of my other videos, but I just kind of thought I'd make its own little place. But basically a couple of weeks ago I set up a little group called Van Life Ireland / Northern Ireland, and it will be the first link linked in the description box below if you want to go find us. And basically I wanted to kind of just see how this group went for a couple of weeks before I really let you guys know about it, but it's been going really well. And what I was planning to do, what I wanted to do, was to kind of make our own little community for people in Ireland and Northern Ireland, and people who are obviously into van life, who are planning on visiting here or renting vans. Like, I wanted this to be like the spot, and I have made it a private group because I think from what I've seen, a lot of the problems with the bigger van life groups is they're becoming public, and then you get not so nice people coming in, whereas I am very much quite closely monitoring this one, and so far there's been no problems anyway, because I mean, we're Irish and Northern Irish, we know the crack, and it's just been this really nice little spot for people to get help with their vans. There's been people getting help with diesel heaters, there's been people sharing spots that they've stayed in, showing us their vans, and like, it is just this really nice little spot. So I wanted to make more of you guys aware of it in case you weren't. Like I said, it will be linked in the description box. And yeah, it's been a really nice little platform and forum, and I want to keep it that way. So you'll have to request to join the group, which I mostly let everybody in anyway and just see how it goes. But if anyone starts to be a little bit more toxic or anything like that, then that's it. Like, this is going to be a nice friendly community, and we can all kind of closely keep an eye on that. Also, down the line, I've told some of you guys there's some events, meetups coming up, and this will be a really good spot to hone in on for that, for people who are from here or visiting here. So you guys know, of course, I'm up north, so I'm definitely able to keep an eye and plan and promote other events from the northern side. But eventually what I would like to do is have like another admin or moderator, preferably from down south, so that they could kind of keep an eye on things from that side if there's any events coming up down south, or helping me to plan and promote events that are down south as well, because I definitely do want to do one down there maybe in the summer. We're going to have one up here I think around August, and I'll get back to you guys more on that. Obviously the group is like one of the first places that I will announce that meetup, and you guys will have like priority of knowing what's going on. But I definitely would be good to have someone down south to help with that. So if any of you guys are interested in that, you know, of course, get in touch with me through DM here on YouTube in the comments section, or through the group itself. If you decide to head over to the group, don't forget to say hi to everybody and say that you were sent from here. And don't be afraid to speak and have a bit of banter with everyone. Like I said, we're Irish and Northern Irish. We can have a bit of crack, have a bit of a laugh, and don't be afraid to introduce yourself, tell us what van you're getting, show us the van that you've got, and all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, that's kind of really all this video is today. If you have any questions, comments, queries, you can of course leave them in the description box. If you guys want to head on over, hit the link and join our little group, you're all more than welcome to do that. And yeah, as always, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys very soon for another upload. Hopefully it'll be a little warmer with any luck. See you guys later. Bye.
I'll raise a glass to you, and you'll raise a glass to me, and when they're half full, we'll top them up with whiskey.